Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly help us to subscribe to our channel. It's going to help us a lot, and you can like and comment on this video. Share us your experience so far using this particular strategy. And also you can join our Telegram group. We have our Telegram group where we share our self updates on what happened on boom and crash. You see, I promise you guys that I'm going to drop a video on crash 500. You see, now we have a crash 500 here, which indicates to us that this crash 500 just completes a spike entry, and we are taking up a what a sell we are taking up a buy entry very soon. You see, we have our negative 1 year, so very soon. So soon now is going through the what is going through the buying entry. Now is moving on the what on the buy zone. It's moving on the buy zone. So I promise you guys that I'm going to make a video on crash 500 with this same indicator, because this indicator that I've backtested in so many ways, and it's really working. I've already made a video on it on boom 1000, crash 1000, and boom 500, but this is the last video on this same indicator for those who used to trade crash 500, for the lovers of crash 500. So I'm making this video to explain it more details, and if I'll be following up the video from boom 1000 up to crash 500, you will really understand what this really happened. You see, this indicator works on all the booms and crash. It works on all the booms and crash. So what are the first thing you need to do is to first adjust your scale. You can control this particular thing, so you move it to the last area. Yeah, it helps you to identify your support and resistance level. You see, it helps you to identify that particular zone. So let me show you the settings of this indicator, because it might take our times. So on the first moving average, we have the period of 10, we have shift to be -5, we have methods to be linear weight, we have apply to close. So you can choose any color of your choice, just screenshot it. So we have the second moving average, we have the period of 7, we have shift to be 5, we have methods to be linear weight, we have apply to close, and we have our style in red color. You just press on done. Then we have the indicator window 1, which is the average directional movement index. We have the period to be 5, we have our white as the background, which is our background. So if you are using black background, you make sure that all these color are also in black color in your own charts. So we have the level of 50, 95, 35, and 5. So I'm doing this now for those who have not been able to watch those videos I have made. So if you are new to my channel now, you can get the settings. And also I have the next moving average to be period of 10, I have shift to be 0, methods to be linear weight, I have apply to close, I have style to be in black color, and you can press on done. Then we have the parabolic sacks, which is our step to be 0.05. I have our maximum to be 0.05, and we have our style to be in this color. Then you can press on done. So by doing this now, you will have the same charts like this on your chart. You see, we are going to be having, I told you guys that crash 500 is taking up a buy entry. You see, now it has spiked for many times now. You see, so that's how you identify it on this particular zone. When it's bringing out a negative, note that that particular trade is taking up a buy zone. You see, so the first thing I told you guys to do is to move away your charts to the last zone here. So by doing this, it makes you to identify that particular zone. You see this particular zone now, it's giving us a fake. This is not the real trade. You see now, you see that particular zone, you see it is below 35 level. It is below 35 level. So what you are going to be looking is the accurate level on this indicator window 1 is an accurate level for you to trade successfully. And the second thing you need to look like is this crossing line. But I'm going to explain that crossing line for you like I did in the other video. So for crash 500 lovers, I'm telling you that this strategy is working also for you. So the first thing is to confirm this entry. Then the second thing is to check your window. So when you move your chart from the beginning to the end, and this that in window one, your moving average still remain on that same spot. You see, it still remain on that five, on that below 5. So you know that this particular trade you are taking is what is original. So what you need to do now is to what is to identify that particular time for you to enter the trade. So let me identify it for you. So for you to enter the trade now, you are going to wait for this red moving average now to cross the trade. Once it cross the trade, and if the trade starts to appear inside that 9, then you count your what? You count your 4 trade, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this particular zone now will be your entry zone. So before this particular zone appear, this cross will have open, because this red 9, it's speed more than this moving average. Is speed, this one is speed more than what? More than this moving average. So you got just count your 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just count that 4. So this is your fourth candle now. So what you need to do is to take just 10 candle, then you are out of this market. Just take 10 candle. You see that? So I've already taken my time to make this video so that you guys can enjoy it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You see, I told you guys that there might be only baby spike, but this baby spike is going to respect that particular level. Now you see, now it's already making that another, it's already making a profit here. So we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just only one candle left. Then once it makes that one candle for you, then you can easily go in the market. You see, you can easily exit the market once it make that candle. So let's check for more things. So you are taking, you see now, you see this particular thing that it's going to help you to identify. You see, it's coming up from uptrend to what? To come to this particular zone. So it's already already a fake entry for you. If you think that you have got a entry, believe me, it is a fake. So if you enter this particular trade now, it might not work for you, and it might also work for you. You know, fake trade will always appear as original, appear as fluctuate up and down. It might show you an accurate now, but when you see another one, it's going to what? It's going to haunt you. So what you just need to do is to look for that original zone. So this always appear up to like 20 times in a day. You just target, maybe if it is just a 5 that you can take, if it's just a 10 that you can take, you see, you are good to go. Let's check this now. Let's check this zone out now. You see that particular zone, when you zoom it from, when you move it from the beginning to the end, it still remain on that particular spot, and that is how you can identify your original zone. That is how you can identify your original zone. So what you need to do now is to what? Is to move this moving average. Move it when the moving average rate cross this particular trade. Then you what? You take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you take up this 1, 2, 3, 4, so you wait for that 4 to what? To appear. That is when you what? You are going to what? You are going to enter the market. So when you enter the market now, then you are going to exist counting your what? Your 10th candle, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is your 10th candle. This is your 10th candle. So you just what? You just take the 10th candle, then out of the market. So that is exactly what I ask you guys to always wait for. You see, this is an example here also. You see, it's wait on that particular thing. You just count it. Let's check this out. So wait for the candle to what? To move away from the what? From the moving average of red. So what you can just count is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the what? This is the fourth candle. This is your entry zone. This is your what? Your entry zone. So you just enter the market at this level because it is 4 here. Just enter the market at this, enter here. So your exit zone will be what? After when you are counting up to 10. So you can do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, this is your what? This is your exit zone. So this is exactly what is happening in the market time. So you can just go through it and check it out. So you can check it time to time to what, to identify that particular zone. So if you take up to 10 candlestick of that zone every day, you can easily, you see now this particular zone have already helped us to achieve it. So you can exit to market at this level so that to avoid any loss. So this is what I have tried a lot, and it's really working, and people have already enjoying it on my Telegram group. So you just do what, you just set it up on your phone and begin to catch up your what, your cash. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly help me to subscribe to this channel, and you can also like and comment on this video. So you can also join my Telegram group where we have access to a lot of things. You just join the Telegram group, we have access to a lot of things. Thanks.